Hey everyone, this is Jess Ideas, and I'm here with my cat. We're gonna unbox another snack package. Again, this is with SayWeee.com. I have a discount code for $20 off your first purchase, and of course, if you hit $35, you get free shipping. So I will share that link and code in the description box below. Now, let's open this package because Han really wants to see what's inside. What do you think is in the box? Let's see. Okay. She's so curious. So first, we have this 6-pack of Pocky chocolate sticks. This is the winter edition. Next, we have these Calbee Veggie bites. They remind me of Veggie straws. They're really delicious. Got some sweet basil flavored Lay's. Chocolatey tree stump cookies. These are on sale. I wanted to try them out. Another pack of Lay's. This time it's the 2-in-1. So I believe one side is guacamole and the other side is seafood. Not really sure. Next we have, I love these Quadratini Wafers. I got the matcha green tea flavor. Another flavor of Lay's. This is the Kyushu seaweed. This is also something that was on sale that I wanted to try. These potato chips are flavored with Himalayan pink salt. I believe they're Taiwanese. The packaging for this got a little busted, but these are party wafers in a strawberry flavor. This also got squashed under everything else, but this is a family pack of strawberry Pocky. This is a 9-pack. And finally, the last snack item. It's the small tin of Hello Kitty Earl Grey cookies. Honestly, the reviews said that the cookies were just okay, but that a lot of people paid just to have this really cute tin. It was on sale for, I think, $3, and so I also couldn't resist. What's this last item? It is my favorite chili oil. This is the Laogama brand. If you guys like watching YouTube videos, this is the one that John Cena talks about a lot. Do you like it, Juan? That was it for my haul. It was really nice to order a big box of snacks after not having any at home for some time. Make sure to check out that SayWeee discount code in the description box. I guarantee the prices are hard to beat and they have really fast delivery options. Hold on, I would say today's snack haul was very successful. Thank you very much for helping me. See everyone in the next video.